Do you think you can make something like that? That is how the most new products Mr. Morimoto has created started. You might be overthinking it when you consider designing artisan-made products with us. You don't need to figure it all out. It's the artisan's part to do it. The story of INORI will tell you that. See you after the opening, and you are watching episode 5 of The Prototype. Hello, I'm Satoko, the founder of KoLe SHIKOKU Japan. I connect handicraft artisan work enthusiasts to our local heritage craft artisans in Shikoku, Japan. The Prototype is our YouTube series to inspire you to design your next artisan-made products by introducing the birth stories of our collaborating artisans' products with modern twists. Let's begin. In this episode, I share 3 things about INORI. 1. What is INORI and how has it started? 2. How the artisan figured out the technique from a failure. 3. Current problems that the artisan is trying to solve. By sharing the story of INORI, I hope that you will understand that all you need to start your artisan-made product development with us is your idea. No plan, structure drawing, or even a design sketch. Shall we begin? 1. What is INORI and how has it started? The series of wooden twisting tower is called INORI and was produced by Takashi Morimoto, the 3rd generation joiner and certified local heritage craft artisan of Kude Craft. The biggest one is as tall as 2 meters and 30 centimeters, approximately 7.5 feet. A much smaller one was produced first as a lampshade. One day, another joiner brought this idea to Mr. Morimoto. He had one photo in his hand. It was a photo of an installation in a hotel lobby abroad. Logs were piled up, high and twisted. From the picture, Mr. Morimoto couldn't tell if each log was screwed together or interlocking like log houses. Then, the joiner asked Mr. Morimoto, "Do you think you can make it?" That's how INORI began. 2. Figuring out the technique from a failure. Cutting kude means partially cutting thinly stripped wood to assemble more than one strip of wood. Cutting this part. It's one of the traditional joiner's techniques. Mrs. Morimoto asked Mr. Morimoto if he could make the twisting tower by cutting kude. That was exactly what Mr. Morimoto was thinking. He started from 10 centimeters high, about 4 inches. It didn't work. He thought he could make it by assembling smaller square parts on bigger ones by sliding a little bit by the same angle, but it didn't. The first one he made wasn't twisted. Soon he realized that the angle of each layer had to be different to make it look twisted. Okay, I said that as if I understood what Mr. Morimoto explained it to me, but I didn't. It sounded like a mathematics problem to me, and I am hopeless in mathematics. He sensed I was not getting it from the expression, and he told me to look at the top part and see if it was a square, so I did. Oh my goodness, it's not a square. It's a diamond shape. It starts from a square at the bottom, then changing the angle of each layer creates this twist effect. Once Mr. Morimoto understood how the twist worked and succeeded in a 10 cm high sample, he began to apply it to different sizes. 3. Current problems to solve and future form. Just understanding how to produce a wood twisted looking tower with straight wood pieces doesn't satisfy Mr. and Mrs. Morimoto. They have a few problems to solve at this moment. The first batch of the lampshade has been sold out and is now waiting to be brushed up. According to Mrs. Morimoto, she wants her husband to find a way to adapt the delicate appearance of the 2 meter and 30 centimeter model to the lampshade and improve the way light leaks through the gap. Mr. Morimoto helped a local university student experiment to design a chair using the same technique. But this time, the shape was upside down. Mr. Morimoto says that the appearance turned out interesting, but as an actual product, the prototype has a crucial problem: safety and durability as a chair. The current design does not distribute the load effectively at the intersections of the materials, making it insufficient to bear weight from above. However, the student experiment was up to making the prototype, so the project itself was finished. At this moment, the lampshade and the chair are on hold projects since there are no existing opportunities to exhibit. Yet, these problems are constantly running through Mr. Morimoto's head. So someday he'll get there. So that was the story of INORI. If you have watched other episodes of The Prototypes, you have noticed that most products start without structure plans or design sketches. They have always started from a casual conversation of wonder. In other words, a key idea or phrase. It's that easy. What would your key idea or key phrases be? That's all for the day. If you have an idea, please book a Zoom consultation meeting from our website. The link is in the description. If you want to brainstorm an artisan-made product idea, feel free to book a meeting. Let's explore new possibilities. If you are not there yet, please remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications for more inspiration. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time. The collaborating artisans are excited about the idea of producing bespoke items, something new and unique. Once you have an idea, let me know. I'll be happy to coordinate your production. So stay connected by following me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. For a more direct connection, join Misenoma membership. I'll leave the links in the description. That's all for this episode. Your support gets me going, so if you like this episode or want to let me know you've just listened to it, please like it or leave a comment wherever you are listening. Thank you for your support and listening. See you next time.